Butterfly bush.
No.
Nako.
So may lavender na, medyo lavender siya, no?
I don't know why I clicked that now.
Hop on! The Mad G thing.
So, actually, funny enough, a friend sent me this website. It's called boysencolorstories.com.
Boysen colors.
Alam mo
As
yung
in,
Boysen?
The paint. Boysen.
Oh, Boysen Paint.
Okay. So, ano siya? Parang what, like, the site is like, it shows art or something?
No, did you know that Boysen actually has more than 4,000 colors
Oh, wow. Yeah.
available of paint?
4,000. Wow. So that's like, that's crazy. It's like, I mean, normally you'd think like, what, like, maybe the primary, secondary, tertiary colors lang eh. Pero siguro may mga variations, no? Of all these different colors.
And I don't know, ako, di ko nga alam. Kala ko nga 64 colors lang eh. Kasi naalala ko nung kindergarten ako, yung crayons box ko, 8, 16, di ba? 24, tapos yung mga
Pag mayaman
mayayaman.
ka, 100 plus. Or
Meron
whatever.
na ata eh. Pero parang ako, nakita ko, 36 pati 64. Parang mga ganun lang yung crayon box na nakikita ko.
Tapos may sharpener pa, no? Pag may budget.
Yun yung mga social na pencil case. Di ba? Pero, naalala ko dati, yung mga colors, di ba? Dati, kung nga 16 lang, meron kang green-blue, di ba? Pag 24 ka, meron kang blue-green, pati green-blue. So, imagine, if you have 4,000 colors, paano mo kaya bibigyan ng pangalan itong mga to?
Ano kayang itsura ng crayon box mo, no? Pag 4,000 colors.
Oo, dami nun. Baka kano kaya kadami yung 4,000 crayons. No? Pero, tingnan mo to, bro. Itong
Okay, sige.
website, boysencolorstories.com, nandito yung mismong 4,000 stories. And nakakatuwa, kasi
4,000
syempre,
colors, you mean? 4,000 okay. We're looking at it now. Wow. So parang siyang parang siyang ano yan? Swatch?
para
No?
siyang
Para
swatch of 4,000. And
Galing
yung
ah.
maganda na ginawa ni Boysen, it's now, the brand is giving the opportunities for people like you and me to co-create the stories behind the names of the colors.
Wow. Yeah. So you're saying each, like, paano you can upload something? Let's check. If you check on one, it's either you have a choice to write a story or upload a video. So people can go to this site and just upload any.
Yeah. Ito, kung
Sige.
titingnan mo, itong website, if you look at it, di ba, kunwari, ito, Baby Blossom, di ba? Kung kiklik mo siya,
Here you go, honey.
Sige, let's take a look.
What?
ang galing, di ba?
Parang mga hindi kang AI videos lang. Imagine.
I think yung iba, AI, yung
Yeah.
iba ginawa ng iba,
Baka naman,
nag-invento.
pura AI ba ito? Wait, let's see. Let's check on mga organic looking.
Ito, parang totoong tao to.
Check
Si
natin to.
Amazing Grace.
Amazing Grace. Ano to?
Yan.
Mare, alam mo ba yung inaanak mo? Si Grace. Valedictorian, 8 ang medal. Ang galing naman ni Grace. Si Miggy kasi top 1 sa college entrance exam, full scholar. Aboy, buti naman. Ang galing ni Miggy kasi kung hindi siya full scholar, baka di mo siya na-enroll, no? Si Grace kasi, sa US namin pag-aaralin ni Mrs. Ganun ba? Si Miggy in-invite sa NASA. Doon siya mag-internship. Sadly, hindi invited si Grace. Siya kasi yung nag-i-interview sa NASA. Huh? Oo, heto ka na nga. Part-time niya lang yun. Kaya nga may dollar account kami eh. Dollars lang pala. So cheap. Si Miggy marunong mag-invest. Meron siyang crypto. Si Grace may sariling cryptocurrency. Si Miggy may jowa. Si Grace ang nag-set ng standard sa pagiging mabuting jowa. Eh di anak mo ng amazing. Talaga!
O kulit, di ba? So, etong website na to, it contains all the 4,000 colors, all their names, and ang galing ng mga names. Ang mga first time I've heard of it, very creative. Pwede kang mag-upload ng video mo or ng content mo to give a background of where that name came from.
Yes, let's read some of the names now. Let's see. Parang grabe well, first of all, the creativity of those who had to create the names now. It's like they're just combining different words together, no? Baby seal, cyber police,
Aspen.
Pout. Pink explosion.
Oh, di
Siguro.
ba? And then, if you scroll down, makikita mo, marami.
Meron pa,
Wala
may
pang
mga
names.
opportunity spot for you to enter your own, what do you call that? Application or own
Oo.
submission. No?
Ikaw nagpauso, di ba? Or ikaw ang historically accurate author of the background story.
I think ganun talaga like these days, no? I mean, parang how something can become viral, di ba? Parang it's like you don't intend for it to become viral, but you never know if this content that you make will suddenly become viral, no?
Yeah.
So yeah, this looks like parang a potential opportunity for different people to upload content that can become like viral, no?
Yeah, and I think tayo mga Pinoy, di ba? As we are one of the top social media
Consumers,
users or
yeah,
consumers around the world. And very creative tayo pagdating sa mga content natin at sa paggagawa ng kwento, di ba?
Yeah, yeah.
I think this Boys and Color Stories, big opportunity siya for our creativity and our colorful culture as a nation to be highlighted or to be showcased.
Yeah.
Ito, tignan mo, ito wala pang kwento to. Wild rose, fruitful orchard, suede shoes, 'di ba?
Baka meron tayong mad jeepney yung color dito.
Gawa tayong mad jeepney. Mad jeepney. Baka naman boysen, baka
Baka
pwede-
naman boys mad jeepney color,
Oo,
no?
mad jeepney color. Ano kaya magiging kulay nun?
Ha.
Sana maganda, no?
Maybe, yeah. Okay, let's watch a few more. Parang I'm curious to see other ones na yung mga hindi AI tsaka yung mga AI din. Ano to? Gusto kong makita itong baby seal. Kanina pa I was curious, what's this baby seal?
Nako, tinakpan yung mabig ng baby. Yun pala yung baby seal.
Parang vintage, is that 19s, 70s commercial
Oh,
vibe?
pwedeng ganun pala yung origin, pero pwede din. Kung ano, baby na seal na hayop, no?
Baby shark, baby
Oo.
seal. Ano pa? Ito. Smoke
Ito,
screen.
Kyoto.
Kyoto.
Yan. So, mukha pala ng tao. Cute to. No.
Mahilig talaga sa puns mga Pinoy, no?
Oh,
Parang-
it's more fun in the Philippines, eh, no?
Ano pa dito? Let's see.
Kaya, pili ka lang dyan. Ang dami, oh.
Parang it's hard to choose eh. Parang all of them look... Wait, here. Butterfly bush.
No.
Oy, nako.
So, may lavender na... Medyo lavender siya, no? At itong butterfly bush, medyo nagulat ako dito. Baka yun talaga yung inspiration pala nung kulay. Di natin masabi. Diba?
I don't know why I clicked that now.
Oh. Ito, ano pa ba?
Noteworthy.
Noteworthy. So, medyo, ano siya, medyo pinkish, purplish.
Alam mo, same.
Hugot ah. Grabe naman.
Yun, di ko medyo nuggets yun. May note kasi. Yun
May
ba
note,
yun?
may note sa chair.
Kaya noteworthy.
Yeah.
Medyo
Para siyang double pun meaning noteworthy, not worthy. Ganun.
not,
Not worthy.
Okay.
Yeah. Hindi mo guess.
Di ko na-gets agad. Sorry, mabagal.
Actually, kanina, meron ako nakitang color. Parang, meron akong idea eh. What is that? Moon glow. So, yung, yung idea ko dito, moon glow. So, parang may video of someone on a table. Tapos, kumakain siya ng food. Tapos, sabihin ng friend, anong ulam mo? Then, parang soup na may beans. Moon glow.
Pare. Baduy ka din pala, no? so actually, itong clinic mo na Moonglow. So, if you will go to boysandcolorstories.com and then you see a palette or a color box na wala pang image or video uploaded, makikita mo dyan na...
Oops.
Ano
There's
to?
no color story for Moon glow yet.
Send us your story. If we love it, we'll help make you and your content viral on Boysen's website and TikTok. And then you could actually upload a video
All right.
as a background of the story or write a story, diba, to
Yeah,
support
yeah.
it. So I think it's a genius way to give content creators a colorful, pun intended,
Yeah, yeah.
playground to upload content and be part of the historical significance of that color. Kumbaga,
Galing, no?
bigla na lang may pinanggalingan pala. Ito, isang example, Brown Ben. Di ba? Ano kaya to? May kaibigan kaya na Ben tong nag-imbento ng kulay na to. Tapos
Nako.
kakulay talaga nitong si Brown Ben, no? Kaya green thumb, di ba? Yan yung sinasabi pag magaling ka sa halaman. Tapos ang ganda ng pagka-green.
So feeling parang na-imagine ko when they're making up all these color names, they just have like this two bowls with random words, and then they just pick one from this bowl, tapos they pick another, and yan.
Pwede, no? Tapos kung ano-anong inventong dahilan pa yung sinabi
Italian
natin.
ice. Ano yung Italian ice, di ba? Ano yung cotton ball. Pero I mean, like, it's like some of them are like so random na.
Kung Fu, Rocky Mountain. Oh, ang dami pa. So many other colors which have yet to have their origin story. So, parang maganda gawin to. Gawa tayo.
Yeah.
Para tayo yung maging encyclopedia or almanac of boys and colors. Di ba?
Galing.
Ito, Flying High. Flaming Orange.
Oh,
ito.
Flaming
May
Orange.
pusa eh. Ako, mahilig ako sa pusa. So, Uy! Parang... Uy! Nasunog yung orange ka.
Yun, integrating both AI and real footage siguro. Galing, no?
Oo.
Grabe, no? Parang you can just make all these special effects na siguro. You make.
Sabi nila yung orange cat daw. Yun daw yung yung pinaka-crazy cat of all the
You mean the breed?
colors.
Yung that kind of cat?
Hindi, basta color orange daw, baliw eh.
Oh?
Oo, yun yung between the cat community. Pag orange cat daw, medyo crazy daw siya. So, ang sabi nila, dahil daw genetically, may lahing tiger daw yung pusa, pare, pag orange. So, ito, wala, iba naman to, flaming orange, nasusunog yung pusa, no, dito sa story na to. Ano pa ba?
Let's see. Few more siguro.
Oh.
Senior moment.
Parang kilala ko to Hindi,
No,
hindi ko pala kilala.
Tayo ay matanda na.
Hindi ko gets.
Hindi, nakalimutan niya yung
Phone
phone
niya.
niya, tapos nakalimutan niya yung drink niya.
Okay.
Pwede. Ito pa. Ano pa ba? Ito nga.
Pink explosion. What's that? Pink explosion.
Sige, panoorin natin. Pink
Kang
explosion.
may volcano eh.
Ito, AI ito.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Pero ang galing. Uy!
Ooh!
Oo, ang galing. Witty. So, parang kala mo, bulkan. Yung pala, tigyawat. Ang galing.
Yan siguro yung way to hook people na visual. No? Minsan parang yung visual is the one that will make people di ba, want to click. You know, they should put a view counter here. No? That would be interesting to see. No? Just to
pwede.
show that parang, maybe that's like an incentive for people to know parang bragging rights, no? Dati kasi, di ba, you're comparing your artwork na, ito yung sketchbook ko, di ba? Yung back in the day na parang you're bragging about that. Here, this time you can brag about your reel with many views, ganun.
Ito, carotene orange. Ano kaya ito?
Carotene.
Carotene?
Carotene?
Orange.
It's not orange. It's carotene. Carotene.
Uy!
Ay, parehas tayo na naisip.
Meta. Very meta.
Oo nga, parehas tayo naisip. Kala natin original tayo, hindi bala. Naunahan na tayo.
Wala, ganun talaga. There's no that intellectual property and memes anymore.
Oo. Anyways, ang galing.
Yeah, it's an interesting way talaga. It's like they're using the creativity of different people to to basically sell the product, no? Parang ganun, like little mini commercials of all their little colors, no? Galing.
Yeah, galing tong
Yeah, so yeah, you guys should try it out. Go to is that boysandcolorstories.com, and maybe you can submit your entry of in with the 4,000 plus colors that are still here waiting for you to be diba? For you to upload or write out the story here on the site.
Yeah, and similarly, I'm just scrolling through this.
Yeah,
Even just the different shades of blue, greens, grays, and the combinations of all of it. Parang ang ganda lang din ma-appreciate. Kasi, di ba, parang ang dami pala. And
Grabe.
just when you
Never
thought
ending.
you've seen it all, there's actually 4,000 colors or more. And I'm sure, di ba, through the years, dadami pa ng dadami yan.
I wonder how long it'll take to reach the bottom of this, no? Still scrolling. Still
Wala.
scrolling.
Ano na
Grabe,
yan?
no? 5 hours later.
Yan. 10 hours later.
Grabe. Never ending. No? Parang siyang never ending talaga, no?
No.
Keeps going, keeps going. Grabe.
So again, check it out, boysandcolorstories.com. Give your take on the background stories and origin stories of
Uy,
these different
We
colors.
have reached the bottom.
Have we?
Yeah. New voice.
New
the very,
voice.
very last color on the
Okay.
site.
Itong herbal tea, ganda din, no? Para siyang green tea ang pig.
Yeah. Galing, galing. All right.
Good. So again, boysandcolorstories.com. Madali lang siya. Click lang upload video and yun
Yeah.
na. You'll be part of the color history.
Right. Awesome.
All right.
All right. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching this mini episode. We'll see you all in the next one.
Hop on!